Take a look at this. I didn't do anything crazy, guys.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Morning guys, Kyle here. Today we are talking about the question everyone keep asking, how to make a free USDT or how to earn free USDT. But before I explain anything, take a look at this. I didn't do anything crazy, guys. I'm not a trader, I'm a simple tester. I simply learned how to use the correct tools. I just follow one specific process, kept it in simple and tested it. Watch this video till the end because I will show you exactly what I did. And this video is strictly for educational entertainment purpose only, and I'm not encouraging anyone to copy what I do. And first of all, let me show you the name of this application so you can easily pause the video right now and check it by its name. It's simply to find this application. And now let me back and open the app. Now I'm gonna press here and let me open one of the most popular apps nowadays, and all I just need is just follow the steps inside, and there is a few modes, so I'm gonna choose this one. Alright, so there is a requirements, and as you can see I already passed this, so I completed these steps, and I will just complete the other steps what I have inside. Okay, so let me just choose this one. That's exactly the requirements for the next step. And their loading is started. The loading is started. That's awesome. It means everything connected already well. And let me wait the process. Usually it responds real fast. And look at this. Look at this, guys. This is the thing I was talking about. That looks really amazing. And now it's time to test it. Let me just do a quick setup and quick preparation before. So that should be enough for me. Okay, and let me just check. One here and another here. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, that is the thing I was talking about. This incredibly interesting tool I found. Wow. And the whole point of this is to send everything back, so I don't want to waste my time. That will be enough for me today. So I'm gonna open this and let me just fast grab my information what I need. So all I need is just copy this one. Okay, let me back to the application. Guys, if you have any ideas what kind of similar tools you have, you can drop me in the comments. I usually read them all and probably I will make a new video for you. Alright, so that's already updated. I got a noti that's really awesome. And the interface, guys, looks really amazing. This is what I like, the speed and the simple steps inside. So let me repeat for you again the official name of this tool so you can pause the video if you need it. And alright, let me back to the main. It's right here. Let me open it and let me check the update. Usually it responds really fast, so I'm gonna just wait the update. Let me refresh the page. As I told you guys, I tested a bunch of different tools in 2026, and sometimes it works really nice, sometimes it has to be delayed. But in fact, it's not a big deal because anyway, I'm gonna wait. Let me back and let me try to refresh it again. And look at this, guys. Look at this. This is how it reacts. Yeah, as I told you before, this is how it reacts, guys. This amazing. This is really nice. Alright, guys, and if you like this video, share this information with your friends, press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will catch you in another one.